Good morning. Hello, smart children. Are you all smart kids? Yes, you're ready and you're sitting for the lesson, so you're all smart kids. Yes? Okay. Last class, I had taught you a song. Do you remember that song? Yes, all of you started singing that song. But do you know the words of the song? Let's go through the words today. Okay? The sun comes up with a great big smile, great big smile. The sun comes up with a great big smile, showing God's great love. Okay, next line. The stars come out with a twinkle, 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 twinkle. The stars come out with a twinkle, 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 showing God's great love. Next, the rain comes down with a pitter, pitter, pat, pitter, pitter, pat, pitter, pitter, pat. The rain comes down with a pitter, pitter, pat, showing God's great love. So, are you ready to sing the song? The sun comes up with a great big smile, great big smile, great big smile. The sun comes up with a great big smile, showing God's great love. The stars come out with a twinkle, 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 twinkle. The stars come out with a twinkle, 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 showing God's great love. The rain comes down with a pitter, pitter, pat, pitter, pitter, pat, pitter, pitter, pat. The rain comes down with a pitter, pitter, pat, showing God's great love. This last week we had some competitions. Did you know about that? We had the competitions for English, Malayalam, recitation, elocution, and so the competitions. Some of the children got first prize. Today I am going to show you the elocution English first prize winners. Okay, listen carefully, please.
Respected teachers and my dear friends. Summer, winter, autumn, rainy. There are different seasons we come across in a year. Among all these seasons, one I like best is the summer. Most children, including me, wait eagerly for the summer to enjoy our long vacation of 2 months. The beautiful, breezy, sunshiny days fill us with energy and cheerfulness. We enjoy the calm, peaceful days as we take a break from our usual studies. We wear free, light clothes and feel happy. Summer is the perfect season to have outdoor picnics or spend a day at the beach. We can play outside for long hours. We have pleasant evening with cool wind and bright sunshine. In summer, we can see lovely stars against clear sky at night. If it gets a little too hot, we make delicious ice cream and pudding at home, which I enjoy very much. Since I live in a village, we take long walks as the evening through lush, green, party fields and watch the sunset. I choose new plant for my garden every summer. It is the happiest time of the year for me ask my family spend more time together. I avoid the summer with great enthusiasm every year. Thank you and have a nice day. Respected teachers, judges, and my dear friends, very good morning to all of you. Today, I'm here to talk about my favorite season. So, friends, what is a season? A season is the period of the year that is defined by its special climatic conditions. There are 4 seasons in a year. They are spring, summer, autumn, and winter. Out of all these seasons, summer is my favorite season. Summer in India starts from March to June. They are the hottest months of the year. So I keep myself well hydrated by drinking lots and lots of water, juices, and I also get to eat ice creams. I love summer because we get the longest school holidays where I can meet my families, friends, and visit new places. Last summer, I went to Ooty, where I enjoyed that climate and a journey by train. People like to visit hill stations and cold places during summer. Every season has its own special fruit, and summer brings one of my favorite fruit, watermelon. Yummy! Yes, I eat lots and lots of watermelons. My mother makes homemade cold drinks and yogurt-based food. That is also favorite to me. During summer season, the sun shines very brightly and the climate outside is very hot. Days are longer and nights are shorter. People like to wear cotton clothes. Although the weather is hot during summer, there are many positive benefits also. The warm air helps us in proper blood circulation. Children can play many outdoor games during summer. Summer vacation is the best time for children to join hobby classes or learn new skills like dancing, drawing, painting. Overall, summer is just a wonderful season with so much fun and enjoyment. So friends, this is why I like summer. I would want to know what is your favorite season and what do you do in that season? Thank you and have a nice day. Good morning everybody, respected principal, teachers and my dear friends. Today I will say a few words about my favorite season. There are many seasons on the earth, such as summer, winter and rainy season. But my favorite season is rainy season. Rainy season is the gift of God. Rainy season starts first week of June. Suddenly climate become very cold. Rainy season is very important for farmers. Crops of this season depends on rainy season. We get drinking water from rain. Animals and plants depends on rainwater. We get colorful rainbow during rainy season. Small children play with rainwater. They draw paper boats and enjoy it. The whole environment become greener and beautiful. Trees become greener and the whole land become greener and beautiful. So I like rainy season a lot. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Good morning, respected teachers. Today I am going to speak about my favorite season. My favorite season is winter. I love everything about it. In summer I sweat a lot and it's very difficult to play outside. The cold weather really makes me happy and I love cycling in winter. Winter also has Christmas and New Year holidays and it's the best time to go out for picnics and vacations. I also like having barbecue parties in winter. It's fun to play with friends in cold nights during winter. We get fresh fruit. In winter, we get fresh fruits and vegetables like sweet corn, oranges, strawberries, and kiwis. I love to eat them. They make me hydrated and keeps me healthy. I enjoy my favorite winter season by playing with my friends and going out with my family. Thank you.
Respected teachers and my dear friends, good morning to you all. Monsoon, it's my favorite and best season. It starts in June and chills us from summer heat. I love the smell of earth when it rains first. When it rains, nature turns green and plants starts to grow. Rain helps farmers to grow crops. A rainy day helps us to relax and soothe. People of all age can enjoy rain. Kids enjoy playing in rain, getting wet, making pepperboards, and eating hot and delicious food. It rains until month of September. More rains bring flood and diseases are common. So we should be careful and hygienic. Rain makes me happy, so I like rainy season. Thank you. Have a nice day.
So, did you listen to our little friends? Yes, they were talking very smartly about their favorite season. Did you listen to how they were introducing themselves? They were greeting everybody saying good morning, respected teachers, judges, and my dear friends. That's because they were taking part in a competition. But since when we are talking in class or when you are talking to a gathering of a few people, you will say just good morning, my dear friends, or good morning, family members. Or you will say like that. So if you are talking to in class, you will say good morning, my dear teacher, and my dear friends. And then you will talk about if suppose you are given this look at this page number 25. Yes, we had done this. You were asked to paste photographs of any four of your family members and you were supposed to tell your friend about them. So this was something you're supposed to do. Now this is another thing for you to do. You have to talk about any two of your family members based on the following instructions. So what are the instructions? You will greet everyone appropriately. So if it's morning, you will say good morning. If it's afternoon, you will say good afternoon. Or if it's evening, you will say good evening, everybody. And you will say, you will mention the names of the family members. So you will say, this is my grandfather. He is Mr. So and so. He lives with us. He loves gardening and he has the best rose in the neighborhood. His roses are so good. So you can talk about something he likes or something he dislikes. So that's how you'll talk about. So your grandfather, you talk about, you will tell his name. You will tell about your relationship. So repeat after me. Repeat after me from the beginning, please. Talk about any two of your family members based on the following instructions. We are reading the instructions in black, okay? Repeat after me. Greet everyone appropriately. Mention the names of the family members. Talk about your relation with them. What is relationship? How is he or she related to you? If it's your mother, she's your mother. If it's your grandfather, you'll say, if it's your grandfather or grandmother, you'll say, it's my father's mother or my father's father, if it's your grandfather. Or if it's your mother's father, you'll say, that's my mother's father. This is my grandfather, he's my mother's father. He lives with us or he lives a few in the next door. So you can say like that. So it's about talking about your trying to talk and introduce your family members. So now let's come to the next part. So are you ready, children, for a small test? So you're going to listen to this. You have done this earlier. You have listened to this earlier. So you're going to listen to this and then you'll answer the questions. You will tick true or false. For each correct answer, you'll get 2 marks. You're going to correct it yourself. If you make a mistake, you will listen to it again. You can listen to it more than twice or thrice, then you can attempt the questions. So let's see. Listen carefully, please.
Look at this picture of Deepak's family. Listen to him carefully. He is telling you about his family. First, only listen. Then, color each person's dress correctly.
Hello, I am Deepak. This is my family. My grandfather is old. He has a walking stick. He is the one who is wearing the blue shirt.
Do you see Deepak's grandfather? Now color his grandfather's shirt blue.
Who is the old lady next to him?
That is my grandmother. She is wearing a yellow sari. She makes tasty laddus.
They look yummy.
My father is a doctor. He always wears his coat and black pants when he works.
What does your mother do?
My mother is a pilot. She wears a blue uniform. She flies aeroplanes.
Her blue uniform is very smart. Do you have a brother?
Yes, I do. He is the boy in the blue jeans. He is wearing a red t-shirt. He loves to read.
So you listen to that, right? Okay, now look at this. This is the question answer. Small, very easy question answers. Now you have to look at the black question answers, okay? You have finished the B2, the blue one we have already finished coloring. The true or false you have to complete it. So repeat after me. True or false? First one. Deepak's grandfather is wearing a blue shirt. Is that true or false? You can correct it. You can tick it, whichever. Second one. Deepak's grandmother makes tasty chocolate brownies. True or false? Deepak's mother is a teacher and wears sari to school. True or false? Deepak's father is a doctor. True or false? Deepak has a sister who loves dancing. So, you will go through the answers. You can listen to the audio clip once more and then again. Then you can, for each correct answer, you will give yourself 2 marks. Okay? If you get a correct answer, you get 2 marks each. If you get a wrong, you get 0. So be honest. Don't fool me. I won't know about it. You are going to correct it yourself and find out. So it's alright if you make mistakes, but be honest. Okay? So till next week, you can watch our little friends. I am putting more of the second prize winners and I am going to put it. You can listen to that. Okay? Watch the clips and stay blessed. You can all practice. Okay?